In this video, we will discuss changing the fourth preset between X-ray RINs and standard preset functionality. You can tell the fourth preset is configured as X-ray RINs when the preset icon shows arrows on the chair backrest. There are two ways to access the chair settings. The first is by opening the Settings menu, selecting Equipment Settings, then Dental Chair. The second is pressing and holding the chair adjustment banner on the home screen. Here you can toggle the X-ray rinse mode on or off. Press the Home button to exit the Settings menu and return to the home screen. Notice Preset 4 is now configured as a standard preset, and the arrows are no longer shown on the preset icon. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.